messed up our lesson. Okay, so again, I need someone to read this quickly. Jumba. Right. This lesson is going to be about?
Division.
Yes, division. Right? Earlier in the year we worked with? Multiplication. So, quickly, we'll do this one more time. Multiplication sentence. There are two parts to the multiplication sentence. Who can tell me what they are? Mona. Factor and product. Jessica. What is a factor? Yeah, right? This part. So the factors of this equation are 3 and 4. What's the product, Regina?
The answer of the multiplication.
Yeah, the answer. The number that we get when we multiply our factors, we get our product. I like your song. So, today's math questions. How about, who wants to read? Molly, what's the first question? And the second question, Spencer.
How can we show division?
Okay, that's it. That's our whole thing today. This is what we're going to try to solve. We're going to try to figure out what division is and how we can show division. So on your desk, you may have noticed you've got some words. Words like divide. Can you guys say it after Mr. Magnus? Words like divide.
Divide.
Repeated subtraction.
Repeated subtraction.
Quotient.
Quotient.
I hate that word. Divisor.
Divisor.
Oh, it's way down here, but it says dividend.
Dividend.
Yeah. So these, similar to the way we learned about different parts and different things for multiplication, we're going to do a similar thing with division here. So your job in your groups are to try to match these words with their definitions.
Yay! Yay! Activity.
I like that. Yes, it's a sorting activity. Very good. So do your best. Wait, you might say, but Mr. Magnus,
I don't know.
I don't know. That's okay. That's okay. Your job right now is to,
Learn.
well, yeah, but in order to learn, we have
Work.
I like many of these answers.
Fail.
Hey, okay. Now we can stop yelling out answers, but I like some of the answers I got. I heard work, which is yeah. But I heard another word, try, and then our good friend Oscar here reminded us that it's okay and necessary for us to
Fail.
right. Failing is an opportunity to learn. Okay, on your marks, get set, go, work together. See, Sophia, Legend, it's okay. You don't have to have the right answer right now. We're going to review. You guys are going to see which ones you got right and which ones you need to work on remembering. I bet everyone got this one right. Who thinks they know the answer? Yeah. Yeah. Sharing into equal parts. This should remind you of something. When we worked with multiplication. Spencer.
Equal parts.
Yeah, equal parts, right? When we were creating our factors, we'd often put our numbers into
Groups.
yeah, but what kind of groups?
Equal parts.
Equal parts, equal groups, yeah.
Alright.
We're going to use similar strategies today when we're looking at division. Now, what's repeated subtraction? Again, a lot of the same. Adrian.
When one number is taken away from a larger number over and over.
That's correct. Now, Adrian, how did you know that it was when one number is taken away from a larger number over and over? what was your educated guess? Why did you think that? Yeah, it says this word repeated, right? Meaning over and over again. We also learned about something called
repeated addition, and if it is subtraction, it is like addition is plus and subtraction is minus.
right. So it's just the opposite, right?
Yeah,
And division is basically the
opposite. Multiplication.
Yeah. All right, quotient. What is our guess? Matthew.
The number being divided 36 divide 9 or 4.
No, I don't think so. How about legend? Ta-da! The answer to a division equation, right? So in the problem, 36 divided by 9 equals 4, our quotient is what number, Patricia? Who can help her out? How about Kelly? Which number in 36 divided by 9 equals 4 is our quotient?
It's the answer.
Right, if we read the definition says right here, the answer. So if we look at our nice equation here, all we need to do is find which comes right after the equal, right? So Kelly, what's the number? What's our quotient? There's an arrow pointing right to it. Yeah, it's 4. That's our answer, right? The answer to our problem, which is 36 divided by 9. Divisor. Who's the divisor in this class? All right, what does divisor mean? Oscar.
The number being divided.
Is he right? No. It's a number that divides a dividend, which will help you with the next question. A number that divides a dividend into equal shares. Which remember, we know that division is taking a number and putting it into sharing things equally. So for our wonderful problem, 36 divided by 9 equals 4. What's our divisor? Jessica. That's right. So now that we've got our math hats on, our genius hats on, you probably know the answer to this one. Yaren?
The number being divided.
Yeah, it's the number being divided. So 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Our dividend is what? Patricia? Yeah. Make sure you have your focused attention up here. Okay? I feel like I lost you there for a minute. Come back. Okay. Cool. So, just like we had before, we had a nice little layout of it. I've got one here for you, right? Here we have another division problem. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. We've got our divisor here, second number, which is dividing our 12, but our 12 is what? Dividend. And our quotient is our answer, which is, right? Yes, Spencer.
In Chinese, the 12 is called 倍除数, and 3 is called 除数, and the 4 is called 积分.
Okay, so dividend in Zhonglong?
Dividend.
Yeah.
倍除数.
倍数. 倍数. Okay, and our divisor and our quotient. Ooh, I'm learning now. So, June, make room for me, please. Now, I'm going to use our buttons, and I'm going to take 8 of them. Hi, are you guys okay? All right, so I need 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're going to show a division problem. Now, this number, the one that goes here, what's it called? The first number. Take a look. Remember, if I give you a question, the answer is usually in the room. That's right. So we're going to put our dividend here. Just 8 total. We have 8 of them, right? All right, now we're going to put the division symbol. And I have this handy dandy paper here. It says, can you sort into equal groups of
2.
So that means that 2 is going to be here. 2 is our divisor. Okay, then I throw an equal sign and my quotient. Hold on. I know we probably know the answer to it, but I want to show you how we can show it like visually so you can see it. Okay? So, all I have to do is take the parts that I have, all my buttons, and make sure that they're in equal parts of the paper. What is our answer?
4.
Wait, but I have 8 here. How do you know it's 4? Right. Good. Now, let's take the number 8 again as our, what is it called again? Dividend. Say it together, dividend.
Dividend.
All right, we're gonna take our dividend, we're gonna divide it, but this time we're gonna divide it by 4. 4 is our divisor, right? And in order to get my quotient, I simply need to put these in equal groups on the paper again. I have how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! What's the answer?
2.
Yeah, so our quotient is 2. How do you know? I have 4 boxes here. How do you know?
Because there's 2.
Yeah, in each group, there's how many buttons?
2.
Now, what if this was the case? We wouldn't be able to do it.
Yeah.
Because remember, right now, division is, what's the definition of division again? Yeah, sharing equally. So this can't be an answer right now. If I need an answer, there has to be equal groups.
We're gonna learn it when there's not equal. You have to dot at 3.5.
Oh, June's sick. Let's not use June. How about Adrian? Give it a shot. That's right. So you see how he's just taking 1 each and putting it into each square.
Just trying.
Yeah. I don't think I'm even in this picture.
I'm in this picture.
I don't care. All right. So now we can look and simply count 1 square. They all have equal parts. How many is in 1 square?
3.
So 12 divided by 4 equals, what's our quote? It equals what?
3.
You got it. Cool. All right. Now it's your turn. Each table has a paper. I'm going to give you some numbers, and you are going to use these sheets just like Mr. Magnus did. Okay? Let's get back to our tables, please.
Yeah, what was it? This was